The Northeast Olympic Games witnessed the coming together of all the eight sister states to Meghalaya to show their collective strength in sports. The Games, which began on the 10th of November this year, came to a close on 16th November with Manipur bagging the first place in medal tally, followed by Assam in the second place and Arunachal Pradesh in the third place. Apart from the official function, there were performances by local artists, while a fireworks display enthralled the crowd as they focused their vision on the skies that were lit up in different colors. During the closing ceremony, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, lauded the effort of all athletes who had worked tirelessly and put in their best to do each of the eight northeastern states proud. While referring to the potential of the Northeast athletes and sportspersons, Sangma confidently stated that this region of the country has the potential to be the best, especially with the pool of skills and talent that were witnessed throughout the Games. He added that with the right training, skills and provision of infrastructure, there is also a possibility that the athletes from the state of Meghalaya can become leading sportspersons of the region.
We have seen that this Northeast Olympics has not only raised the bar in terms of the kind of infrastructure, the kind of arrangements, and the kind of organization that has gone into the organizing of these games, but we have also seen that the athletes and sportspersons of the Northeast have performed exceptionally well. So many states have done so well in these games. I had the opportunity to watch the women's basketball final yesterday between Sikkim and Meghalaya. And I can tell you, the kind of standard that I saw yesterday in this game was completely out of this world. And so not only have we managed to increase the overall standards of the infrastructure and logistics, but we have also seen that the athletes have raised the bar. You have performed exceptionally well. And this games is the most satisfying thing for me is to be able to see this kind of talent come out today. It makes me proud to be a person from the Northeast.
When you finally see the truth, that a hero lies in Pushing on my energy to this. Forget fear, the antagonist. It's coursing through my veins, then I slip my wrist. I be passing through all the pain, yeah, forget it. Pulling on my energy to this. Forget fear, the antagonist. It's coursing through my veins, then I slip my wrist. I be passing through all the pain, yeah, forget it. Work, sweat and blood, all in this. Forget fear, the antagonist. Challenging all of the challenges. It's impossible, and I will never quit. Work, yeah, I never quit. Work, yeah, I never quit. Work, yeah, I never quit. Put me down, but I will never quit.
To outstanding live performances. On behalf of the government of Meghalaya, we extend our gratitude to each and every one of you for your untiring efforts in making the Northeast Olympic Games 2022 a grand success. However, like I said before, the night is